Synchrony Bank Sweetwater pricing explained what you get for your money. The Synchrony Bank Sweetwater account isn't your typical bank account. You won't believe how it combines convenience with rewards. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another savings or checking account. The surprising truth is it offers competitive interest rates, cashback opportunities, and flexible access to your money. Pricing is straightforward. There are no monthly maintenance fees if you meet minimum balance requirements, which usually range around. Withdrawals and transfers are free within certain limits, while excess transactions might incur small fees. Interest rates vary based on account tier, typically ranging from 0.40% to 1.0% AP, which is significantly higher than many traditional banks. You won't believe how easy it is to earn rewards. Some accounts include cashback on debit card purchases or special promotions tied to online transactions. Most people get this wrong by focusing only on interest rates. The real value comes from fee transparency, rewards, and flexible banking options. For example, users can save hundreds in fees annually, while also earning interest and cash rewards, making it a smart choice for both short-term access and long-term savings. In conclusion, Synchrony Bank Sweetwater pricing is clear and competitive. By evaluating fees, interest rates, and rewards, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you truly get for your money. It's more than an account, it's a tool for smarter banking.